Hey there, nature lovers! Get ready to bundle up because today, we're taking a trip to the captivating world of the Taiga Biome. Picture this. A vast expanse of coniferous trees stretching as far as the eye can see, blanketed in a layer of snow that glistens under the sun. It's like stepping into a real-life winter wonderland. The taiga is a subarctic region that sits just below the Arctic Circle. It's a place where the winters are long and harsh, and the summers are short but sweet. You'll find taigas in places like Alaska, Canada, Scandinavia, and Siberia. In fact, the world's largest taiga is in Russia, spanning a whopping 5,800 kilometers from the Pacific Ocean to the Ural Mountains. That's like driving from New York to Los Angeles and back again. Now, here's a fun fact. The soil beneath the taiga is often frozen solid. It's called permafrost, and it's like nature's very own freezer. This frozen ground, along with the bedrock that lies just beneath the surface, makes it tricky for water to drain. As a result, you'll find shallow bogs called muskegs scattered throughout the taiga. But don't let their mossy and grassy appearance fool you, these muskegs are actually wet and spongy, like walking on a giant waterbed. Speaking of trees, the taiga is a forest of conifers. These trees, like spruce, pine, and fir, are the tough guys of the plant world. They've adapted to survive the long, cold winters with their needle-like leaves and woody cones that protect their seeds. And get this, conifers never lose their needles, which is why they're also called evergreens. It's like they're always dressed up for the holidays. But it's not just the trees that have to be resilient in the taiga. The soil isn't exactly a five-star hotel for plants. It's low in nutrients and can freeze, making it challenging for many plants to put down roots. That's why you won't find a lot of shrubs and flowers in the taiga. Instead, the forest floor is covered in mosses, lichens, and mushrooms. These little guys are the unsung heroes of the taiga, thriving in the cold and making the most of the limited water and sunlight. Now, let's talk about the animals that call the taiga home. From small rodents scurrying along the forest floor to majestic moose browsing on aquatic plants, the taiga is a haven for wildlife. Birds of prey, like owls and eagles, keep a watchful eye from the treetops, ready to swoop down on their unsuspecting prey. And if you're really lucky, you might even spot a Siberian tiger, the largest cat in the world, prowling through the shadows of the eastern Siberian taiga. But as breathtaking as the taiga is, it faces some serious threats. Humans have long hunted animals like foxes and bears for their warm fur and tough skin. But the biggest danger to the taiga comes from logging. Clearcutting, where all the trees in an area are chopped down, destroys habitats and makes it hard for new trees to grow. It's like giving the taiga a really bad haircut that it can't grow back from. Climate change is also taking its toll on the taiga. As temperatures rise, the permafrost starts to thaw, creating more muskegs and making it harder for trees to take root. And with warmer weather, native species like the Siberian tiger struggle to adapt, while non-native pests like the bark beetle move in and wreak havoc on the spruce trees. So, what can we do to help protect the taiga? Well, for starters, we can be mindful of the products we buy and support sustainable logging practices. We can also do our part to combat climate change by reducing our carbon footprint. Every little bit helps. As we wrap up our journey through the taiga, I hope you've fallen in love with this enchanting biome as much as I have. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. And as always, share your thoughts and experiences with us in the comments section below.